In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Sonata key fob. This key fob was used between 2015 and 2020 and uses a CR2032 battery. You can find these batteries online and do this entire process at home. It's very simple. You can just order them on Amazon for a couple dollars and they'll come right to your door. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested, and then you'll be able to follow along and do this yourself. So let's start by taking the key fob and pressing on this button to release the internal key. Put that to the side, and now looking in, we can see the keyhole, and then right next to it, this little slot. We're going to put a flathead screwdriver into that slot to separate the two halves of the key fob. So right here is the keyhole, and then here's the slot. Insert your flathead into the slot and just make a twist like that to separate the two halves of the key fob, and then you can just pull it apart with your fingers. Here we have the battery inside of its housing, and I can't really remove it with my fingers. I'm going to use a precision screwdriver. You can get a pack of these on Amazon for just a couple bucks if you want to safely remove your battery. I'll leave a link in the description for that. Otherwise, you can use a toothpick or another similarly sized tool. And what we're going to do is target this top right area and insert our tool all the way down to the bottom, getting under the battery, and just prying it out, wiggling and prying it out, and it will pop right out. So go ahead, get a brand new CR2032 battery. Make sure this positive side with the battery information goes face down, and just position it into its housing, pushing the bottom down first into this little metal component, and then pushing on the top of the battery to push it flush into place. Now we just reconnect two halves of the key fob, clicking them back together. Okay, and the battery will come on if you have some juice in there, and you'll know that you did everything just right. So if this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like, and for more information or to see the full guide on the Hyundai Sonata, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.